Sorry, I'm late. Sorry, I'm late.
Usually you're on time. Usually you're on time. Can you finish this in time for the meeting? Can you finish this in time for the meeting?
This will take a lot of time. This will take a lot of time.
Okay, take your time. Okay, take your time.
Okay, let's not waste time on that. Let's not waste time on that.
Prepare your notes ahead of time. Prepare your notes ahead of time.
I don't have time to talk now. I don't have time to talk now.
You can call me anytime you need help. You can call me anytime you need help.
Okay, I'll answer your questions one at a time. I'll answer your questions one at a time. 2012, I was working in the UK at the time. I was working in the UK at the time. I just moved from part-time to full-time. I just moved from part-time to full-time. She will call any time now. She will call any time now. Come on, come on. Oh yes, hello. Yes, baby, you're right 9 times out of 10. Yes, baby, you're right 9 times out of 10. Come on, that was a long time ago. Come on, that was a long time ago. At no time did I leave the house yesterday. At no time did I leave the house yesterday. Yes, I still talk to her from time to time. Yes, I still talk to her from time to time. I know, baby, I messed up big time. I know, baby, I messed up big time.
We're running out of time. We're running out of time. It's about time you finished. It's about time you finished.
Okay, it's time to say goodbye. It's time to say goodbye. I had a great time. I had a great time. Bye! Urmăriți o explicație a tuturor expresiilor pe canalul English Engleză 2 de pe YouTube. Thanks for watching!